What's up? Happy Sunday. I'm getting ready to go meet a friend. I'm going to an outdoors store. Well, I have this gift card I got, so I want to look at some stuff there. We're grabbing a coffee. It's a beautiful day out. So I've got my Zio jacket, the shirt, my jeans. So I'm just going to upload some content for a brand later. I already worked out, did some business stuff, had one client. So tomorrow's just going to be a workout with a friend. I have a bunch of workouts with friends this week, a hike I'm going on. So it's a busier week, and then hopefully some job opportunities. I'm chatting with some companies, so that should be good, as well as a movie thing I'm going to. So it's a very busy, eventful week. It's sunny out today, but pretty cold, so I'll have to layer up, but we'll show you more what we do this week and check in later. This is my favorite lunch currently, or snack, as boiled egg, avocado, some parsley, some cucumber, feta, and just a bit of balsamic vinegar with Triscuits. These are the best. As well, but these are smaller version, more precise. You could even do some kind of like eyeliner art or something if you're doing more of like a makeup look for like Halloween or something. And these are more smaller brushes, so let's unbox them and show you how these look. Vertex has a bunch of my favorite makeup brushes, and these are some of them. So these are very thin brushes here, but perfect for eyeliner. And then we have the actual eyeliner brushes, and these I might honestly even use as eyeshadow brushes, because you could easily use this as an eyeshadow brush. Same with this one for kind of some more angled eyeliner, but a smoky eye as well. And then a thinner brush, and this for spoolie or even an eyebrow brush. Cannot wait to use this. These are high quality brushes, great quality as well. And then we have their eyeliner tape. So I'll link all of these products down below, and you can shop at Vertex and buy your own brushes.